The best investment is you. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you truly invested in yourself? Not bills, not kids, not your house, not your job, but you. As busy working parents, we invest in everyone else, but sometimes we forget the person who holds everything together. I'm Roxanne from Seattle, Washington, a mom, a wife, a property accountant by profession, and a proud digital business owner. And tonight, I want to talk about something that changed my life: investing in yourself, learning every day, and building unshakable belief. There was a season in my life when I used to work 7 days a week, multiple jobs, long hours. I thought working harder was the only way. But here's what I realized: if I didn't grow, if I didn't learn new skills, if I didn't expand my mindset, my situation would stay the same. And staying the same was more risky than changing. That's why learning every day is a must. Not because someone forces you, not because growth is intentional. And I'm so grateful from our powerful mastermind the other day. And I've learned a lot from Coach Michelle. Every lesson I walk with clarity, golden nuggets, and mindset shifts. And sometimes it's not about even the strategy, it's about belief. Belief is important in everything you do. If you don't believe you can build something, you won't start. If you don't believe you're capable, you'll quit too early. If you don't believe you deserve more, you'll settle. As moms, parents, providers, we can afford to lose belief. We cannot, because our kids are watching, our family is watching, and most importantly, we are watching ourselves. I know what it feels like being tired, to feel stuck, to want more time with your kids, but also need to pay bills. That's why I invest in myself, because when I grow, my income can grow. When my mindset grows, my opportunities grow. When my belief grows, my results can grow. So if you're watching this and you feel like you're meant for more, start investing in you. Read a book, join some trainings, learn new skills, surround yourself with people who elevate you. Because the best investment you'll ever make is the one that no one can take away from you. If you're curious about how I've been learning, growing, and building alongside a powerful community, send me a message and I'll be happy to guide you and mentor you. Because staying the same, that's the real risk. Have a good night.